Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about class inheritance in Dart programming. So Dart supports the concept of inheritance, which is the ability of a program to create new classes from an existing class. So guys, we have already existing class. We can inherit its properties to a new class called a child class. Now the class that is extended to create newer classes is called the parent class or the superclass. So the original class, that is the class that we define initially, is called the parent class, and the newly created classes are called the child classes. So the next class, that is a child class, we inherit some properties from the parent class. So guys, this is the concept that we use, that is parent and child classes. So let us understand this with the help of examples and what are its features. So let's say we have a class over here as animal. So we define the class animal, and then we have a variable name of the animal, and then we also have, let's say, display name function. So inside this function, what we will do is we will have the print statement, and then we will print the name of animal is $name. Let's say we have the name of the animal as dog over here. So we have defined the name. So guys, as seen in the previous example, in order to print the statement, we can have an object of this class, that is animal. So in order to initialize the object, we have a variable that is animal, and then we use the new keyword followed by the name of the class. So this animal will be the object, and we can easily access this method, that is display name, using this object, that is animal, followed by a dot, that is a period, and then the display name. So I'll just copy this method name, open close brackets, semicolon. Let's save this file and try running this code. So as you can see, the name of animal is dog. Now guys, the important property of classes is inheritance. So let's say we have another class called dog. So guys, this is the parent class, that is animal. Now we want the same variable name and the method name to be present in another class, that is the dog. So what we can do is we can use the extends keyword over here followed by the name of the parent class. So in this case it is animal, and then open and close brackets. So guys, what this is doing is we are having the class that is dog, which will be a child class of this parent class, that is animal, using this extends keyword. So this extends keyword, it depicts that animal is the parent class and dog is the child class, and we are going to have variable name and void display name as the method in this class as well. So can we create the object of this class directly instead of using the object of animal class? Let us see this with the help of example. So let's say we have the same variable animal, but in this case what I'm going to do is, instead of using this class name animal, I'm going to use this class name, that is dog. So I'll just replace it with new dog and then animal.display name. So as you can see, this class name, that is dog, it is not having anything inside the body of this class, but we have used the extends keyword followed by the parent name, that is the animal, which is another class. So let us see what will be the output of this code when we do animal.display name. So I'll save this file and try running this code. So as you can see, the name of animal is dog, and in this way whatever method or the variable names we have used in the parent class, those things got inherited to the child class as well, and that child class can be used in order to invoke those methods which are present in the parent class. So guys, in this way inheritance works in Dart programming. Now let us check what are the different types of inheritance. So as you can see, we have the single, that is every class can at most extend from one parent class, and the same example we have seen just now, that is animal is the parent class and dog is the child class, which is extending the animal class over here. And then we have multiple, a class can inherit from multiple classes. Dart doesn't support multiple inheritance. So guys, if we want to inherit from multiple classes, let's say we have animal over here and let's say we have another class name over here, but that thing doesn't support, we can only have single inheritance over here, that is only from one parent class we can inherit to another child class. Another one is multi-level, so a class can inherit from another child class. So let us check this example. Let's say we have class dog which has extended animal. What we will do is, let's say we have another class, that is another dog, and then this extends this dog, that is a child class. So guys, as you can see, we have the main parent class, that is animal, which is extended by the dog class, and then we have another dog child class which extends this child class, that is dog. So can we access this display name from this another dog child class? Let us understand this. So I'll copy this, and instead of this new dog, I will put another dog. So what we are doing is we are having the animal object and then new keyword followed by another dog, which is kind of a child class of another child class over here, and then we are calling this display name which is just present in this parent class. So I'll save this file and try running this code. So as you can see, the name of animal is dog. So again, this multi-level inheritance works in Dart programming. So guys, this is another example of multi-level inheritance. And guys, in this way, you can easily use the inheritance property of the Dart programming language as far as classes are concerned. So guys, that's it in this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is class inheritance and method overriding in Dart programming. So stay tuned.